Okay, so you get the forearm pad out of the package. You first want to take off the forearm skin, detach the Velcro, and then on the crutch you have the two openings, 1, 2. You slide it over the C cuff of the forearm. One side fits kind of tight, slide it over. Then you do the other side. And then it slips over kind of like a glove. Slip it in place. And then with the Velcro, secures to the back. And you can make it as tight or as loose as you want. Make sure it's flat around the C cuff. And then you grab the forearm skin and you cover it. And you can use this without the skin if you'd like. And it works the same way, kind of like a glove, right over the C cuff. And it's meant to be a little tight so it stays snug around the cuff of your forearm. Make sure it's flat, and it's ready to go.